Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. My name is Asif, your mathematics teacher. So my dear students, this is for revision session, chapter number 5, and chapter name is exponents, and test paper 5, class 7. So my dear students, we all are aware about all the points related to exponent and their sums, and you had already solved questions from exercise 5a, 5b and c, and now finally we will revise the test paper 5. So let's get started, friends. In group A there are 6 questions. We have taken firstly 1 and 3. So first, see friends, question number 1 says write a reciprocal of secant minus 3 by 5 raised to the power 61 4 minus 5 raised to the power 6. Now what about the reciprocal, friends? Remember one thing, the product of any two numbers is 1, then each product is called the reciprocal the other. Suppose x multiplied by y is equal to 1, then each one is called the reciprocal to each other. Okay friends, example, suppose 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. Remember friends, 1 multiplied by 1, this is 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 by 3 is equal to 1. Hence we can say 3 is the reciprocal of 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 is also reciprocal of 3. Okay, now see friends, look at, here is the minus 3 by 5 raised to the power 61. So they are very simple, friends. We have to change their numerical value. We have to replace their numerical value as numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Okay, minus as it is only numerical value, friends. 5 goes to up, means 5 in 8, 5 is as the position of denominator, and we will change here and came to numerator, and now 3 is here numerator. Now we will exchange, this will come here. So this is your answer, friends. This is your answer. Now see the next thing. Remember friends, 1 is always hidden. Okay, now 1 goes to up and 5 comes downward. Here is the minus sign and raised to the power 6. So this is your answer, friends. Okay, or either we can change, suppose this minus 5 raised to the power 6 multiplied by minus 1 by 5. If the product is 1, product comes 1, then it is okay, otherwise it is not okay. 5 raised to the power 6 could be written as 1 raised to the power 6 individually, 5 raised to the power 6, friend. So 5 raised to the power 6, this is even number, means positive, this will get cancelled. So minus 1 raised to the power 6, even number power means always gives a positive value 1. So hence the answer is correct. Now see friends, next question. Here, by what number should minus 20 raised to the power minus 1 be divided to obtain minus 10 raised to the power 1? Very simple, friends. Suppose the what number is x, let the required number x, then according to the question, friends, so the required number is x according to the question. Here this 20 minus 20 raised to the power minus 1 be divided by x is equal to minus 10 raised to the power minus 1, friends. So this could be written as, friends, minus 20 raised to the power minus 1 and divided by x, and this is minus 10 raised to the power minus 1. So friends, after cross multiplication, this x will go there and this come here. Okay, means transport, we can replace x and 10 raised to power minus 10. Okay, now replace, so x is equal to minus 20 raised to the power minus 1 divided by minus 10 raised to the power minus 1. So friends, look at here, look at the friends, bases are different but the exponent are same. So write the single exponent friends, minus 20 divided by minus 10, okay, and raised to the power minus 1, whole raised to the power minus 1. So this friends, this minus will get cancelled. 10 to the 20, sorry, 10 to the 20 and 2, so 2 raised to the power friends minus 1. So 2 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2 friends. So this is your answer, 1 by 2. Finally we will get as 1 by 2. This is answer, and we can match the answer from the last page of the book, test paper 5, question number 3rd. So this is correct answer, this is answer, or this is the correct answer, okay, 2 raised to the power minus 1. I hope you will understand. Now next one is, now see friends, question number 5 is very important question. 16 multiplied by 2 raised to the power n plus 1 minus 8 multiplied by 2 raised to the power n and divided by 16 multiplied by 2 raised to the power n plus 2 minus 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power n plus 1. First friends, here the 2 raised to the power n, it's very complicated thing. We have to remove 2 raised to the power n. So here look at the friends, here the maximum common is 2 raised to the power n plus 2, but here is the 2 raised to the power n plus 1, here 2 raised to the power n plus 1, but here is 2 raised to the power n. We will make all the 2 raised to the power n plus 2 equal here, here and here. Now see friends, this could be written as, this is 8, 16 gets 8 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1 and multiplied by 2 raised to the power n plus 1 friends. And now this could be written as friends, here 2 and multiply by 2 raised to the power 2 friends. Remember friends, because 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power, this is 4 friends, 2 raised to the power 2 means is equal to 4. So 4 2 is 8. So 8 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2. Why we are going to write friends? Now let me understand. First 16 as it is. Now write 2 raised to the power n plus 2. Here minus 2 and 2 raised to the power 1 multiply by 2 as it is 2 raised to the power 1 plus n plus 1. So see friends, because we are going to make as equal common as 2 raised to the power n plus 2, 2 raised to the power n plus 2, so that the 2 raised to the power n plus 2 will get cancelled easily, and we will get, and we will approach the question. Now see friends, we will approach to the question. 8 as it is. Remember friends, if you correct the knowledge from the previous, 2 bases are same. Here's the 2, here write the single base and add their exponent friends. So 1 or n plus 1, this is n plus 1 plus 1 2, so the exponent is n plus 2. Now write the minus sign friends here. Now this is 2 as it is friends. Now multiply, remember friend, these 2, because we are going to combine to make 2 raised to the power n plus 2, okay, 2 here the base same, write the single base and add their exponent n plus 2, so n plus 2. Now see friends, here is the also n plus 2, here is the also n plus 2, okay. Now see, this is 16 as it is. Now 2 raised to the power n plus 2 as it is. Now see minus, here is the 2 friends. Now look at the friends, here bases are same, write the single base and add their power. N plus 1 is here and plus 1 is here, so n plus 2 friends, n plus 2, so write n plus 2. Now see friends, every terms in numerator and denominator having the same common values, 2 raised to the power n plus 1, 2 raised to the power n plus 1, 2 raised to the power n plus 1, 2 raised to the power n plus, sorry, 2 raised to the power n plus 2, 2 raised to the power n plus 2 and 2 raised to the power n plus 2. So please bring out, now friends, to bring out this term, 2 raised to the power n plus 2 out. Now the remaining part is 8, here is the minus, here is the 2, because friend this term 2 raised to the power n plus 2 is taken out, okay, divided by friends 2 raised to the power n plus 1 is also common in 16 and this, so this will taken out bahar. Now this is 16 is remaining, here is the minus and this is 2. Now this will get cancelled friend one time, so 8 minus 2 friends, this is 6, remember, and 16 minus 2 friend, this is 14. Now friends see, now see friends, both the numbers will get cancelled by 2, okay, because 2 3 ja and 2 7 ja, so the answer is friends 3 by 7 final answer. This question is very important friends, so please try to solve once 2 3 times so that you will completely got the concept. Now see friends, question number 6 is also important question, very interesting question. If 2 raised to the power n minus 7 multiplied by 5 raised to the power n minus 4 is equal to 1250, then find the value of n friends. So here is the exponent form friends, and there is the whole number form. So how we can find the value of n, and n is on the exponent, n is as exponent friends, so it is very difficult. So in such type of question we will make left hand side and right hand side with the same base. Whatever the exponent, there is no matter. If the both the bases left hand side and right hand side are same and carrying some exponent, then we can easily compare the exponent and we equate the exponent and we will get the answer. Okay, now see friends, first of all we want to break this now by factorization method. Now see the factorization method, break down, break it. This is 2 times 2 6 ja, 2 2 ja, and 2 5 ja, 5 times friends, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, and 5 5 ja. Okay, once again this is 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25. So 5 5 ja 25 friends, and 5 1 ja 5. So this is 5 5 5 5. How many times friend? 4 times 5, and there is the 2. Now see friends, this could be written as 2 raised to the power n minus 7, right, as it is. First 2 raised to the power n minus 7. Now multiply by 5 raised to the power n minus 4 is equal to 1 2 5 0. Now see friends, 2 raised to the power n, okay, minus 4 and multiply by 2 raised to the power minus 3 friends. Now let me just a minute to make understand. And 5 raised to the power n minus 4, this is equal to friends 1 2 5 0. Now see friends, look at the friends, here the bases are same. When the same base, write the single base and add their exponent x minus 4, and we have to add their values. That means this will also become minus 7 friends. So 2 raised to the power n minus 7 can be written as 2 raised to the power n minus 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. Why friends? Now because we will make the same exponent as n minus 4 here, n minus 4 is here. Okay, this is why we did. Okay, now see 2 raised to the power n minus 4 as it is, multiply by 5 raised to the power n minus 4 as it is friend. Remember friends, here have a look friends, suppose a raised to the power minus x, this could be written as 1 by a raised to the power x. Suppose a raised to the power minus m friends, this could be written as 1 by a raised to the power plus m. Remember friends, this is why we are going to apply the same thing here. 2 raised to the power minus 3 is up, minus 3. If we bring the downwards, then 2 raised to the power plus 3. Okay, this is equal to friends, remember this can be written as this 2 multiply by friends, here is the 5 multiply by and this is 4 times 5 friends, because 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 means 5 raised to the power 4, 5 raised to the power 4. Now see friends, 2 raised to the power 2 multiply by 5. If you remember friends, if the exponents are same, then multiply their bases and write the single exponent friends. Remember, suppose friends a raised to the power m and multiply by b raised to the power n friends. So the bases are, or either we can write x or y, any could be anything. A raised to the power m, here is the bases are different but the power are same friends, power are same, then multiply their bases and put the single power, okay, single exponent. Okay, so here the 2 and 5 different bases, multiply their bases and put the same, put the single exponent power, and this after cross multiplication friends, this will multiply here, so this will get 2 raised to the power 3 after multiply cross multiplication this, and write 2 multiply by 5 raised to the power 4 friends. Remember friends, here 2 raised to the power 1 So bases are same. Write the single base, friends, and add their power. 3 plus 1, 4. This is 5 raised to the power 4 as it is. Now this is 10 raised to the power n minus 4. Now see, friends, 10 raised to the power n minus 4 is here, okay, is equal to, here look at different bases. If the bases are different, multiply their bases and put the single exponent. So this is 10 raised to the power n minus 4, friends, and this is also 5, and this is also 10 raised to the power 4, friends. So look at these two bases are same. When the bases are same, then equate their exponent. N minus 4 is equal to 4, and we have to find the value of n as it is. So this 4 as it is, bring this minus 4 to the right hand side, positive 4. This is 8, friends. Hence n is equal to 8. This is your answer, friends. So now for the further questions, friends, there is no difficult type of question, so please you can do it. We can revise all the questions. So this question are a little bit difficult, but it is not much more difficult, okay. And the question number 5 and 6. So and remaining question, please do yourself, friends, and you are already aware about all the questions. So the homework, friends, test paper 5 to solve all questions. Test paper 5, okay. Have a nice day, friends.